In this video, I am going to show you how to stop MSN from opening automatically on Microsoft Edge. When you open Edge, you may notice that the home page is cluttered with news and content from MSN. If you want to clean this up and have a simpler browser experience, follow these steps. Begin by hovering your mouse over the gear icon located on the right-hand side of your screen. When you do this, a menu will appear labeled Page Settings. Click on it. It will open a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Show Content option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn off this toggle, and all the content including MSN News will be removed from your home page. If you'd like an even cleaner interface, you can also remove the background. To do this, scroll down further and find the toggle in front of the background option. Click to turn it off. This will remove the background image, giving you a more professional and minimalistic appearance in your Edge browser. After these adjustments, you'll notice that Microsoft Edge no longer shows MSN content or background clutter. This is how you can stop MSN from opening on Edge.